Sila. Mina Buson? Yeah. We are now reached down now, waiting for transaction.
Okay, boss. I will know.
Thank you.
Chief Mena? Chief Mena?
Ito, Okto.
Ha?
Pag ano?
Oh,
On, pag ano, no? Ito, off na.
ganyan na sitwasyon. Open.
Open.
Pag ano,
Pag ano siya.
Chief Mena?
ano lang ano. Wala pa. Ano mo lang. I-ready mo lang.
Pwede ko. Ayos.
Manual na wala.
Ano?
Waiter na.
Wala na yung
Tanggalin na sila namin.
لا بدك جيب هم وصلوا تحت خلاص.
kinalawa. Natatanggalin na yan dito.
Oh, kakay. Pag-upload ito.
Ay, hello mga kapuskoy. Dito na kami. Sa ilalim ng
Buwan.
Oo.
Oh, silalim mo kami ng buwan.
Sa ilalim ng buwan.
Oh.
Ito na yung ano yun namin ngayon kung gagana o hindi.
Mena?
Yes, go ahead, Mina.
Kindly open vault number 1.
Copy, will open the valve number 1.
Okay.
Sige, tigas yan. Hindi inopen sa magkuhan siguro.
Hindi boss.
Okay.
Nakasaksyon.
Sige pa.
Dandahan.
Oh, yan na. Sitting na.
Balik.
Balik. Pigilan mo lang. Yan. Pigilan mo ha.
Okay.
Mina Buson.
Also, go ahead.
Yes, the valve number 1 is open position.
It's open now, right?
Roger, open position.
Okay, boss. Thank you.
Ha?
Babae lang yung boses. Hindi yan babae.
Okay. Boss Mena?
Go ahead, Mina.
The level of water decreasing or something?
Not yet moving. So I cannot hear some sounds here. So not yet for suction, not yet.
Okay. Chief Mena?
Libis tubig yan. Ganun pa yung tubig niya.
BT ka Buskoy, oh?
Ha?
لا مفيش
Dito ko lang pangalan ng Buskoy.
Oh. Nalo ko yan? Lagyan pangalan?
Okay, وهنا open possession بس مفيش فايدة.
Wala kang seksyon. Okay na boss, hindi na bumalik.
Hindi na.
Hindi na, na-release na yun.
Release na yung barbula. Roger, go ahead, Mina.
There's any change in water level, is decreasing or something?
Nothing happened, Mina. No, nothing. No suction. But still open the position of the valve.
Okay. Chief Mena? لسه مفيش suction, مفيش أي تغيير. Boss Mena?
Go ahead, Mina.
Stand by, please, boss.
Copy, standby.
Boss Mena?
It's Mina, go ahead.
The water level increasing now or not?
Wala na.
Walang sound ng
Still the same the water level.
Okay, boss. Chief Mena?
seksyon.
Wala pa rin tubig. Ganun pa rin tubig.
لا ما بينزلش يا شيخ نفس الليفل.
Kangkol mo yan.
Oh.
Chief Mena?
Ha?
position. Okay.
Ganun naman. Sandalan mo lang.
Okay.
Yes, go ahead, Mina.
Currently stuck bulb.
Kape, waiting.
Meron problema to sa ano, suction dun sa motor. Yung valve, i-open pa-open na.
Ganun talaga. Hindi mag-open. Yan.
Simple.
Tinalian na lang ng kuhan mga kabuskoy. Lubid. Para mag-steady doon. Hindi na bubukas yung equator valve namin. Ito yung kuhan, maing laki sa taga-open yan ng kuhan barbula.
Aga lang na yung boss ko eh, open ba? Nag-open lang. Kung minsan, taga-sisid eh.
Sisid Marino yan.
Sisid tayo dyan.
Training puso na yan.
Wala tayong ano dyan, basta pag sabi ni Kabuskoy na sisid, sisid na!
Sisid ka dito.
Tumagal ba?
Sisid tayo dito.
Yan. Paliguan lang ako ng Kabuskoy pagdating.
Ligawan na yan. Debit mo kung sino mang makapagbukas. Sabihin mo ako.
Chief Meta?
Ayan.
Floater lang yung tinitingnan namin. Magana.
Ma'am?
Yun lang. Tapos sabi Jibet kung sino man inspektora. Sinong inspektor magsabi. Sabihin ko.
Boss Meta?
Wala.
Roger Minaguard.
Level of water decreasing now or still the same?
Nothing.
Still the same. 50 centimeter water level. Over.
50 centimeter, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Chief Meta? Chief Meta?
Close lang. Tinawag ka?
Okay. Boss Meta?
Yes, go ahead, Mina.
Please, after 2 minutes, report again about water level, please.
Yes, Mina. I'm here. Time to time, I will check the water level. But the position of the bulb is open.
And the water level is still the same, right? No change.
Yes, you are correct. No change the water level. Still the same. 50 centimeter over.
Okay.
Okay.
Chief Minna?
Kung meron ba?
Ha?
Ito! Wala ka na!
Okay.
Wala mangyari yan.
Boss Minna?
Kung
Yes, Mina, go ahead.
Please, if there's any change of water level, report us back.
Yes, Mina. I will let you know if there is a change for the water level.
Okay. Boss Minna?
Yes, go ahead.
Boss, please keep the valve open and go out. Go out of the carport.
keep it open.
No, Mina, I will steal the spanner. I fixed already the spanner, but when I leave the spanner in the bulb, so the bulb is going to back close position.
You can't leave it in open position?
Now, open position, but the spanner is still there, fixed, the bulb. After I leave this, the position of the bulb is close.
Okay, boss, I will try this to Chief Minna?
Dormir.
دلوقتي هو بيقول هو فتح السنة لو حد مستمر وسمع
Gininsik na. Hindi na maintindihan, gininsik na.
Okay.
Yes, Mina, go ahead.
I already told the chief about the situation. Please keep the valve open and go out. It's fine. It will be keep in open position.
Okay, I will go up, but I will leave here the spanner. Because when I leave without a spanner, so the bulb is going back to close position. So I will leave it open the position, but I leave the spanner here, one down.
Please repeat again.
Patay na. Yeah, please still to chief officer, I leave one spanner here down when I go up. Because when I take out this spanner in the bulb, so the bulb is going back to close position.
Chief, can we catch the foot today? Please explain. Okay. Okay, boss, keep your soul, take your tools and keep the valve in open position and sit down, please.
Copy me, I will go up. I leave here one spanner down to keep the open position of the bulb.
Chief Minna? هو بيقول إن لازم نجيب السنر على الفاز عشان
Ganyan sig na po.
مش هيقدر ياخدها. Okay.
Okay, sunlight.
Ano yan? Di mag... Tanggalin natin yan, close na naman yan.
Boss, automatic siya. Kaya may ano siya boss eh. Pag inano nila sa computer, ano nila doon.